Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll be showing you a quick step-by-step guide on how to top up your Monese card with cash through the mobile app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. First, open the Monese app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the main dashboard, tap on Add Money or Top Up. This will show you various top-up options. Scroll down and select Cash Top-Up option. This is usually marked with a cash symbol. A list of partners, stores, and locations where you can top up your card with cash will appear. Choose the most convenient store near you, such as post office or PayPoint location. Tap on Post Office. Then, go to the chosen partner store and inform the cashier that you would like to make a cash deposit to your Monese account. Show the generated barcode from your Monese app to the cashier. Hand over the cash amount you wish to deposit. The cashier will scan the barcode and process your top-up. Once the transaction is complete, you should receive a notification in the Monese app confirming that the cash has been added to your account. This usually happens within a few minutes. And that's it. You have successfully topped up your Monese card with cash. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Financify for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.